released it 12th of July 2022. We have the Sokos department store in Lahti, Finland. This is one that I didn't film before because it wasn't finished yet 2 years back in 2020. That's Sokos several for the brand new parts. This was built in 2020. This is 4410495. Because these 9 versus 80 grams. Too bad there is no dog hospital. It's in a glaze shaft, but they should have made it scenic.
Yeah.
The floor light will go out once at the same time as the indicator or arrow.
Expected vacuumized, maintained by Kone.
It will be inspected this year, 2022. And it has 3 floors. But the hotel part, that one has 4 floors.
Yeah.
Because it also goes to the 3rd floor in the hotel.
Yeah.
We have filmed it as well.
Yeah.
So I don't need to stay on part over.
Yeah.
So that's it.
That's